Identify the noise sources. Determine the noise type. Identify the noise paths. From the sources to the worker. Determine the noise level of each source. Determine the relative contribution of each source to the excessive noise. And rank the source accordingly. Control the dominant source first. Identify possible solutions such as eliminate the noise source. Substitute with a quieter source. Apply engineering modifications such as damping or covering. Use administrative controls such as reducing the length of exposure to the noise with, for example, other tasks. And lastly, use protective equipment as a last resort for controlling noise exposure.
Okay, so it kind of gives you ideas about how to provide solutions for that problem. And now it's time to discuss. Please discuss it with your group. Just one solution for one group.
Okay, I think you covered a lot of them. Good job. Let's try to say one first. Okay, group 4.
Hi, I'm Julie. I'm Julie, and we are group 4. And we think if the noise from the machine is hitting the floor, and we think we can place styrofoam under the machine to reduce the noise. Or if noise is from the machine itself, we can replace the old machine with this noise or add lubricating oil. Yes, that is.
Good job. And then group 3.
I'm Judy Shen, and our answer is change the noise part into silence one, and maybe can add the silencer on the machine. The next one is find the loudest machine to isolate. Loudest.
Alright, next group, group 2. Very good. And forgot your applause for our Judy Shen.
Oh, hello. I'm Sam. And our solution is we could use air moves of earphones with effective noise cancellation system. In this way, we could protect their ears.
Thank you. Okay, last one, group one.
Hi, I'm Daniel and we are group one. We came up with 6 ideas. And the first idea is that we can cover the machine with the soft materials so it can decrease the shaking. Yeah. And the second one is we can install the shock absorbers. Yes, so we can still decrease the shaking. And the third one is same with the group 5. We can hire more number of deaf employees. Yeah, and the fourth one is that we can remove the floor. Just maybe we can hang the machine in the air because the noises come from the floor. Yeah, and the fifth is we can put it in a vacuum environment so it won't be noisy anymore. And the last one is we can increase the frequency of the employee, changing the employee. So the same one employee just don't need to. Yeah, stop it. No more.
Thank you. We can increase the frequency for the work shift and decrease the exposure per person. That's what you mean, right? Okay. All right. But I'm kind of skeptical about us hiring that employee. that will cause other problems they have to face when they work up there. Okay, so you have a lot of imagination and good suggestion. Let's see what we have for you.
Vibrating machinery or materials can create noise which can be harmful to you and your workers. Often a machine mounted directly onto a large surface, like a concrete floor, can generate noise when it vibrates. This rattles the machine housing and the vibration flows through other surfaces near it. Luckily, there's lots of things you can do to minimise the vibrations from your machine. To reduce vibration moving to other surfaces, fix your machine onto a smaller surface and reduce the noise the rattling creates by making its housing more compact. Also, line the surface the machine is mounted on with sound-absorbent materials. An acoustic engineer can help you identify which sound-absorbent material is right for your machine. Or choose a more flexible material. Instead of mounting your machine onto a hard surface, use wire mesh or perforated metal. There's a bunch of other things you can do to reduce vibration. Use coil springs under the motor to reduce the vibration transmitted from your machine. Vibration can also transmit in pipes and ducts, creating a ringing sound. Line your pipes with sound-absorbing materials to reduce noise. Regularly maintaining or upgrading your machinery can make a big difference to vibration in the workplace. For other ways to reduce the noise and vibrations from your machine, also check out our video on damping.
Okay, hello, we are Group 1, and our final project is to make a square scoop, as we had informed at midterm. We had increased more detailed design to make our invention more complete, include the grip and eh, sorry, include the grip design, the head design, and the material choice, and contact design and heat conduction. And first, this scoop is made for the ice cream shop who want to be different with other. And we have came out the solution according to the motivation, so as to find out what design we need to do. So first, we can add the heat conduction, and second and third is using our design can solve it. And fourth one is the square head. Square head can fix the square container. And fourth is the detachable head design.
Okay, hi, we are group two, and I'm Tony, and this is our final project presentation. And our topic will be emergency light improvement, and down below the name list is are our member. Okay, so the next one.
First of all, we have to understand the configuration diagrams of MA010. And these are the location of each item in the classroom. And then we mark the location of the fire extinguishers and emergency lights. As you can see, they are at the corner of the classroom, and few people will notice them. At the practical part, we will show how we improve the appearance of them to make them more easier to be noticed. Next thing is that we use a light meter to test the average illuminance of the entire classroom. And finally, the mean of illuminance is 0.5 lux. Refer to relevant regulations. From 全球法规资料库, we found that the illuminance of the classroom is lower than the regulation. This is the second thing that we are going to improve. And next will be Benson.
And we found the illumination is too low to reach the standard requirements. To make it greater, next we use the first way is we replace the old one with another kind of emergency light, such as LED light in the left bottom corner. Also, we can add the same kind of emergency light in the left top corner. As you can see, we fix the former problem through two different ways. And next, the second way to improve the problem of illuminance is add a handheld LED lamp too. Through this way, we can make it more convenient to do so. Okay, next. And the indicator problems we want to improve is next. The first one, easy to bump into other objects in the dark. And the second one, hard to find the firefighting equipment in the thick smoke. And next, we found one resource named fluorescent tap. And with the fluorescent tap, we can deal with the problem of indicator efficiently. There are some pictures that we want to show you. We assume that classroom might plug into smoke, and we pop out some strategy to cope with the darkness situation. In case of walking into something, we pass the fluorescent tap in the table edge. And as you can see, after the table edge, we pass the tap to the corner of table. Next. And next. As the picture shows, the fire extinguisher wears the bling bling tab too, combined with the former information. Next. We can find the extinguisher and the right direction much more easily.
This is our radar chart analysis. This picture is our comparison based on questionnaires and surveys. We can find that the previous score is very low. The highest score is location, only 3 points, and the lowest is adaptability without score. After the improvement, the score increased a lot. Whether in location, clarity, illumination, durability, or even the dependability, that was previously 0 point has grown to 4 point. We can see significant difference before and after improvement. Next.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Inris, and we are group 3.
Modeling. We use IKEA PU phone computer chair as a reference base. Also, we adjust the table to bracket armrest and its material to PP impact resistant. And then we use Blender to model our new chair. Next page. And the last one is the E2102 table and chair improve overall preference. We found there our improved chair satisfaction is about 4 to 5. So we conclude that we have successfully improved and achieved our goal.
After midterm presentation, we already have a rough thought of what our chairs would be and things we want to improve. So first thing first, we search for other chairs that are already in the market and see if there's anything we can learn from or improve. Thus, we found 2 to be our reference model compared to the old one and apply its advantage to our design. Then, to achieve our request of stronger, more stable, and comfortable, we choose better material for our chair. Last, we use the Blender to create the model, make sure it fit our standard, and did have improvements. Next. For the new chair, we have changed many places and make it better. But for the first 3 important things that we aim at and motivates us to improve are, the first one is to make it more comfortable, more suitable for people sitting on it for hours. So we change the material into PU form to create softer cushion. Second, we increase table size, make its surface be larger, thus to have enough space for placing books, laptop, and pencil case. And for the third one, we have the rack applied round pipe welded. The rack is welded to the chair, so it is much stronger. Instead of the old one, it's kind of like hanging there. And since it is stronger, it is more affordable for our personal stuff like bags or books. I think the improvement we apply to the chair did solve the problems that annoy us for a long time.
Hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Hi
Yes.
everyone. This is group 4, and we extend the report in April to do more analysis and models. And on the right are our team members, and my name is Holly. Next page.
Hello, I'm Lin, and now I'm going to talk about the problem description. And this is why that we choose the intersection of Taiwan University of Science and Technology to improve. And these are the improvements that we will made. First, we decided to add some buzzer to make people to know that they are going through a red light. And second, we are going to add some LED.
Hi, I'm Julie. And our improvement result reduced the previous problems. After we add a buzzer, it can let people know that they are running a red light, especially the blind. Also, after we add a LED trap, on the road, it can let people notice the green light has already changed to a red light. These two improvements reduce the chance of accidents happening. And we set out the no stay area to make it easier for pedestrians and bicycles to pass. They will not be blocked by each other. And last, after having the separation on the sidewalk, it is safe that bicycles will not make some collision accident or make traffic more chaotic. And next page.
Okay, now let's take a look at the simulator video.
有了有了。
Hey crowd, be careful! Oh no, my friend. Yeah, it's green light. I can cross the road. Oh no, it's red light now. Thanks for the light on the ground.
Oh, I can't see anything, but there is no car sound. It should be fine.
Hey, what happened?
Oh, I can't see anything again. Okay. Oh, why is there a siren? Oh, it turns out it is a red light. Woohoo!
I need to hurry up. I'm going to be late for my appointment with my classmate. Oh, why are there so many people stuck here? It's so hard to get through. I'm going to be late for class. Fortunately, we have dedicated bicycle lane now. It's so much smoother.
Okay, and this is our conclusion. Number one is present and LED lights bars helpful for most people. And number two is no stay area is visible. Third is hope it can really be implemented properly in the future.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. We're Group 5, and this is our final presentation for our human factors final. So we use these several methods to improve. So we use questionnaire to collect everyone's response to our improvement, and we have done some anthropometric measurement. And first step we
Hi everyone. We're going to introduce our result after our improvement, and we'll divide it into two parts. The first part is product improvement, and the second part is feasibility evaluation. And the round one is the waterproof layer.
Okay. We add a scale on the strap so that everyone can easily adjust to them to the left that suit them. And we also have some recommended lengths. You can look at the schematic diagram I drew. Okay, we observe that Students on the road often use their mobile phones while charging with power bank. So we decided to install a backpack embed portable charger and then dig a hole for the charging cable to come out. Okay, let's banana this. We want a soda drink backpack because we think it's cool. So that we can drink water or drinks without holding a kettle in our hand.
Okay, and this is our conclusion. As mentioned above, we could know the strap measurements and waterproof materials are to purchase feasible, and embed straw and portable charger got lots of bad reflection, so we should delete them.